How to hide Facebook friends list. Now let's say you want to hide the Facebook friends list that you have right now, or you want to control who can see the friends list that you have on your Facebook account. All you have to do in order for you to hide or secure your Facebook friends list is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and scroll down until you find settings and privacy. Once you're on your settings and privacy, you will be able to see the settings. So you just have to click on that. And once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find audience and visibility. Once you're there, you'll be able to see how people find and contact you. So you just have to click on that. And now you have all the authority and power to control who can see your friends list right here. So you can cater it to your public, friends accept, specific friends, and only me. So you can hide your Facebook friends list by tapping on only me so that only you yourself or the account holder will be able to see the friends list that you have right now. So that's how to hide Facebook friends list. Hope we help.